How are you doing? This is a really quick overview about the product that you would be purchasing here. It's 3 files. They're all Google Sheets. I also have this available in Excel if you like Excel better. Now, I prefer Google Sheets because of the sharing and editing capabilities. So for example, what you would do is this first file is homeroom scheduling for present teacher. You just email this to your teachers. They fill this out about their students they have in their class presently this year. They share it or email it back to you, and you just grab it, copy, paste it into this file, which is what the admin or counselor would use, whoever does your scheduling. You copy and paste that information from the teachers right here under the all students, and then the next step is to roll to the end and change this list of teacher names to your teachers, because every teacher tab is just simply an easy drop down menu to change whatever you need, and this becomes what you use to build the schedules with for the next year. It's got automatic statistics for each teacher on each tab. They automatically total up the demographics and special services, and also there's a class stats page that gives you an overview of the entire grade, lets you know how many people are in each class. And I've got an example file that comes with this just so you can see how it looks. For example, let's say once I emailed this file to the teachers, they filled it out, I grabbed it, I copied and pasted it, and I put those names here under all students. I just begin, once I've got my teachers labeled, you can change the tab names at the bottom so it matches up quickly so you can see who's in where. For example, let's say this teacher 2 here, we're going to say that's Mrs. YYY. You just change the name down here so you can find it quickly. And now you can copy paste students, and you simply just grab a row and hit Control X and paste it in here. And if you notice, if you roll down to the bottom, now that we've added one student, Mr. Wiley Coyote, if I roll down to the bottom, it's got one student so far. It's a male, he's a multi-race, he's in special education, and he's also an ESOL student, and he's a low performing student. And all that was automatic with the formulas. Class stats keeps up with the same thing, lets you know how many's totaled up in each person's grade. Notice the names changed automatically. Formulas do most of the work. All you're going to do for this is copy and paste. Super easy to do. Make your life much easier.